Welcome to Artisan Mathematics. In this video, I'm looking at discount, one of the application of percentages. Let's begin. Imagine you are at Adum, one of the commercial suburb in Kumasi, and you want to buy a phone case. The price is 50 Ghana cedis, but the seller says, I will give you 10%. That means you are going to pay 5 cedis less. Discounts are like bargain. You always save money. So let's see how we are going to calculate the discount. So first of all, what is discount? It is the reduced price on a product and service. So in all these calculations, we are going to represent the original price or mark price as 100%. So in case you want to find the new price, if you have a discount, that means 100 minus the discount percentage over 100 times original price. And then this is a formula. So you can make the original price the subject. So original price is 100 over 100 minus discount percent times the new price. You know the new price and you want to find the original price. So what if you want to find the discount rate? So it is the discount over the original price times 100. So let's take some example. A store offers 20% discount on a dress that originally cost $. What is the discounted or the new price of the dress? Now I'm going to show you the two methods for calculating the discount. So discount, first let's calculate the discount. Discount be that's 20% times 50. This 0 will cancel this 0, and this will cancel. Times 5, we have $10. So if you want to know the new price that the customer must pay, then the new price be that's 50 minus 10, and that is giving us $40. Okay, in case you want to use the formula, we said that the new price is equal to 100 minus discount percent over 100 times this is 100 minus 20 over 100 times 50. So we are having 80 over 100 times 0 will cancel 0. This one will cancel. 8 times 5, then we are getting $40. So you can use the formula and you can use the analytical approach. Okay, let's take the second example. A manufacturer offers a 15% discount to a customer. If a key customer wants to buy goods worth $385,600, how much should the customer pay after the discount? Here, as we are still finding should the customer pay after the discount. Okay, so let's look at it. So once again, I will solve the two methods. So the discount, let's find the discount first. Discount be 50 over 100 times 385,600, and when we calculate, we are getting 57,840. So if you want the new price, that will be the original price minus the discount. 385,600 minus 57,840, and this is giving us $327,660. Okay, let's see how we can use the formula. So the new is 100 minus D, that's the discount percent, over 100 times the original price. 100 minus that will be 85 over 100 times 385,600. So we are getting, if you compute this one, you still get the same answer. So my precious viewers, the choice is yours. So you select the method that you are comfortable with. In all cases, you get the answer. Now let's look at the third one. A woman received a discount of 20% on a piece of cloth she purchased from a shop. If she paid 525 Ghana cedis, what was the original price? This time we are finding the original price. Method 1, let the original price X. So if that is the case, the discount that will be is 20%. So 20 over 100 times the original. When we simplify, we are getting 1 over 5 X. 0 cancels 0. And then the new price will be the original price minus the discount. And this, yes, and this is equal to the amount that the customer pays. So X minus 1 over 5 X is equal to 525. Then we are going to solve. This is 4 on 5x, which is equal to 525. So let's cross multiply. We have 4x is equal to 2625. So x will be 2625 over 4, and which is giving us 656.25 Ghana cedis. So that will be the original price. Now let me show you method 2 that the original price is equal to 100 over 100 minus D percent times the new price. So 100 over the discount was 20%. So 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 times the new price is 525. So this 0 will cancel 0. So when we simplify, we are getting 606.5. Guys, viewers, if you like the video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload the video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.